superposition principle for electric field. So if there are number of charges exerting field at a point or producing field at a point, then the resultant electric field at any point is equal to vector sum of the individual electric fields at that particular point due to various charges. Notice one thing, electric field is also a vector, so we have to take the vector sum. So net electric field E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 and so on. This is similar to what we had in the case of forces. So to understand this, let us consider a problem. A point charge A of plus 4 microcoulomb and another point charge B of charge minus 1 microcoulomb are placed in air at a distance 1 meter apart. Then the distance of the point on the line joining the charges and from the charge B where the resultant electric field is 0 is in meters. Options are 1 meter, 0.75 meter, 0.5 meter, 0.25 meter. So we need to find the point where resultant electric field is 0 and the distance should be measured from the charge B. Charge B is minus 1 microcoulomb, charge A is 4 microcoulomb. Notice one thing, they have asked you to calculate the distance of the point of 0 electric field, what we call it as null point. So we need to find the null point, the distance of null point to be measured from 1 microcoulomb, that is a weaker charge. So compared to 4 microcoulomb, so don't compare with the signs and all. Sign is just to distinguish the two different kinds of charge. So negative, positive, that doesn't matter. Weaker charge is 1 microcoulomb, smaller charge is 1 microcoulomb only. So we need to find the null point from weaker charge. So let us consider a diagram for this. So let us say this is charge A and here is your charge B. So charge A is 4 microcoulomb plus 4 microcoulomb, charge B is minus 1 microcoulomb. So the resultant field at some point should be vector sum of 4 microcoulomb charge and 1 microcoulomb charge fields. So let us say we have to find the null point here. Notice one thing, these two are unlike charges. When it is unlike charges, the null point will divide the line joining AB externally. So it will divide the line externally and it will be nearer to weaker charge. That means it will be nearer to 1 minus 1 microcoulomb. So it will be somewhere here. So let us say this point is P. So P is null point. Let us say it is located at a distance x from charge at B, and this distance between A and B is given, it is 1 meter. So we need to find x. So look at this, at point P, field due to charge at A is positive charge, so it should be towards right, and field due to point charge at B, it should be towards left. So these two fields should be equal and opposite, then only the net field will be 0 at point P. So at point P, already the direction of the fields are opposite, that we already know. Now we have to equate the fields. So field at point P due to charge at A should be equal to field at point P due to charge at B. So EPA should be equal to EPB. Now field at P due to charge at A should be K. Q is what? 4 microcoulomb. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance is what? 1 meter plus x. So it should be 1 plus x whole square. So we know that field is KQ by R square. That is equal to field due to charge B. So it should be K into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by x square. So don't take minus sign because already we have taken care of the directions. That's why we are equating the two fields. Now what happens? 10 power minus 6 get cancelled, k gets cancelled. Now you are left with 4 divided by 1 minus x whole square is equal to 1 by x square. Now take square root on both sides. 2 divided by 1 minus x equals 1 divided by x. Don't take minus plus or minus here because we are finding distance. Distance cannot be negative. So now simplify this, cross multiply. 2x is equal to 1 minus x. This should be 1 plus x. 2x is equal to 1 plus x. So x is equal to 1 meter. So this distance should be 1 meter.